The Fortitude Project hits rewind on Queensland's history from modern day to 1849. The story follows Jack, a schoolboy from today, who is hurtled through the history of Queensland backwards. First stop, the 80s with World Expo 88 and the Commonwealth Games. Next, it's the groovy 70s when Queenslanders first saw colour TV. As time goes back, Jack realises that Queensland has seen its fair share of hardship through both world wars and devastating droughts and floods. Jack's adventure culminates when he meets one of the state's first free settlers, straight off the ship, the Fortitude, and realises that Queensland has been built on a foundation of fortitude in more ways than one. Use the ready-to-use teacher resources for activities that will help your students appreciate the events, people, and places that have shaped Queensland's history. Written by Joanna Radcliffe in collaboration with Harvest Rain Theatre Company, The Fortitude Project is Queensland's history meets Back to the Future in a fast-paced rewind through time.